Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. 18 episodes and you've made it. Congratulations, you have finished my basic course about metalsmithing and I couldn't be more proud. It was quite a bit of work to tape this series, but I really enjoyed it and I really enjoyed all your nice comments, your messages and you sending me pictures. So thank you very much. For me it feels like this is something that we did together. And in this final episode, I am going to tell you all about how I started my business. I knew what I wanted to make right away, personal jewelry for an affordable price. So I started to investigate the different engraving machines out there. And I really did my research here. I even made a business plan. So I had the investment of the engraving machine on one side and of course of the materials that I would need. And on the other side I had different designs. I worked out how many hours I would be busy by making these designs and what I could ask my clients. If you have followed along with my course, then you know exactly which materials you should get. Of course, it's not easy for everyone to finance everything all at once. The way that I build up my company is by putting the money that I made with making jewelry aside. And when I saved up enough, I could invest in some new machinery. So at the moment, I thought it would be possible to make a profit. I didn't think anymore, I just dived right in. So I started out with a name, I made sure I had a Facebook page and an Instagram page. And when you choose a name for your company, just a couple of tips. I would go for a name that is easily pronounced. It doesn't get a million hits on Google. There are websites free with that domain name. You don't spell it differently, so like the word pear just popped into my head. You can write it P-A-Y-R or P-E-A-R. So that was difficult in another language, but just to give you an example, but you want to stand out and you can only stand out if you are being sincere. So whatever you do, do it from your heart. I truly believe in this. And be kind to other people, be nice, tell them something about you, about why you are making jewelry, your story, your jewelry. You have to pop out and you can only do so by being yourself.